Sea animals. Sea turtle. A sea turtle can live for more than 100 years. That's longer than humans and elephants. Jellyfish. Some jellyfishes are bigger than a human and some are as small as pinhead. Jellyfish have no brain. Some people in different countries eat jellyfish. Octopus. Octopus have 8 legs. Octopus have 3 hearts. Seahorse. Seahorse have no teeth. Seahorses are a type of fish. They are the slowest moving of all the fish. Whale. Blue whales are the largest animals to have ever lived on planet Earth. Dolphin. Dolphins are friendly animals. They are intelligent like us. Crab. Crabs have 10 legs. Some people eat crabs in different countries. Starfish. They are like stars. They are also called sea stars. Lobsters. Lobsters eat each other. They taste with their legs. They chew with their stomach. People also eat this animal. Shark. Shark do not have teeth. Shark have very good eyesight. Seal. Seal prefer to live cold waters and ice. Seals can sleep underwater. Penguin. Penguin have flippers, not wings. Penguins live in 15 to 20 years. Thank you.